This is pretty cool. I'm dropping off my paperwork at the league, and these guys are drilling in this parking lot right next to me. Pretty interesting. The guy standing up there checks that water coming out every once in a while with a sieve to see what's in it. Like if it's got gravel or something in it. He's already put on a new section of drill pipe. I don't know why they're drilling a well in the middle of that parking lot, but I can only assume that's what they're doing. That guy shovels a lot and carries bags of something in the back of that truck. Oh, this guy's new. Making progress, whatever they're doing. So he's checking it again. I don't know what for. They're about ready to put a new drill pipe on. Gotta stay hydrated. Yep, they're pulling it all up. Now back down. It didn't do that last time. It must have hit water. I'm going to attach that new section. And start drilling. And that looks to be the process. That's a drilling rig.